Welcome, everyone. Today, I don't just want your attention, I want your awareness. Because what we are about to talk about is not some motivational theory, not a complicated health formula, and not an expensive solution that only a few people can afford. This is something simple, something free, something available to you right now. And yet, most people ignore it every single day. Let me ask you something honestly. What if I told you that there is one habit that can clean your body from the inside, sharpen your focus, calm your emotions, improve your skin, protect your heart, boost your energy, and even help you lose weight? Without dieting, without supplements, without spending money? You might expect the name of some superfood, some secret herb, some new scientific discovery. But the answer is simple. Water. Yes, the most powerful tool for your body, your brain, your beauty, your emotions, and your future is plain, clean water. And the sad truth is, most people only drink water when they feel extremely thirsty. They don't understand what silent dehydration is doing to their body day after day. Your body is not just supported by water, it is built on water. Nearly 70% of your body is water. Your brain, your heart, your muscles, your blood, your skin. Everything depends on it. Water is not just a drink. It is your internal fuel. It is your life system. Imagine a plant. When you water it regularly, it stands tall, green, and alive. When you ignore it, it slowly bends, dries, and loses its color. Your body works the same way. The only difference is that your body doesn't collapse immediately. It suffers silently. When you don't drink enough water, your skin becomes dull. Your digestion slows down. Your energy disappears. Your brain feels foggy. Your heart works harder. But because the damage happens slowly, you don't notice it until it becomes a bigger problem. Think of your body like a car engine. Without oil, the engine still runs for a while. But inside, friction increases, heat rises, damage begins. Water is the oil of your body. It keeps everything moving smoothly. Your blood flow, your joint movement, your brain signals, your digestion. Today, people are drinking more coffee, more sugary drinks, more soda, and less pure water. Let me make this clear. Coffee is not water. Soda is not water. Juice is not water. These drinks may contain water, but they also bring sugar, caffeine, and chemicals that actually increase dehydration. Only pure water truly hydrates your cells. When you don't drink enough water, your blood becomes thicker. Your heart has to pump harder. Your body feels tired even when you haven't done much. Over time, this leads to chronic fatigue, headaches, poor digestion, and even serious health conditions. And people spend thousands on medicines without realizing that the first medicine their body needed was water. Now let's talk about your brain, the control center of your life. Your brain is around 75% water. That means when you're dehydrated, your thinking becomes slow. Your focus weakens. You forget small things. You struggle to concentrate. Have you ever felt mentally tired in the middle of the day? You blame work. You blame stress. You blame lack of sleep. But sometimes, the real reason is simple. Your brain is thirsty. Water helps electrical signals move smoothly inside your brain. Without enough fluid, it's like trying to use the internet with a weak connection. Messages slow down. Clarity disappears. Creativity drops. And it's not just focus. Water affects your mood. When you're dehydrated, your body produces more stress hormones. You feel irritated without reason. Small problems feel bigger. You overreact, you feel anxious. Sometimes, it's not your life that's stressful, it's your hydration level. Water also supports your sleep. While you sleep, your brain cleans itself from waste and toxins, but it needs hydration to do that job properly. That's why some people sleep 8 hours and still wake up tired. Their brain didn't get the support it needed. Now think about your heart. It beats around 100,000 times a day. Your blood, which is mostly water, flows through your body, carrying oxygen and nutrients. If you're dehydrated, your blood thickens, your heart works harder, blood pressure may rise. Imagine traffic on a highway. When the road is clear, cars move smoothly. When there's congestion, engines heat up. That's what dehydration does inside your body. It creates internal traffic. Staying hydrated supports healthy circulation, stable blood pressure, and reduces strain on your heart. Something so simple can protect something so important. Water also supports movement. Your joints move better. Your muscles perform better. You recover faster. Without water, your body feels heavy and slow. With water, you feel lighter and more active. And emotionally, yes, emotionally, water plays a role. Your brain chemicals that regulate happiness, calmness, and motivation depend on proper hydration. When dehydrated, you may feel anxious, low, or irritable without understanding why. Sometimes, before reacting emotionally, before overthinking, before assuming the worst, drink a glass of water. Give your brain what it needs. The powerful part is this: water is free. It doesn't require a prescription. It doesn't require a membership. It requires awareness and discipline. Start simple. Drink 1 or 2 glasses of water after waking up. Drink before meals. Carry a bottle with you. Don't wait for extreme thirst. Make it a habit. Small daily habits create big long-term results. Water is not just about surviving. It is about functioning at your best. It is about thinking clearly, feeling calm, looking fresh, moving freely, and protecting your future health. You don't need a complicated solution. You need a consistent one. Your body is a living system, and water is the foundation of that system. If you want to feel sharper, calmer, lighter, and more alive, start with the simplest step. Respect water, drink it daily, and watch how your body thanks you in silence. If this message opened your eyes even a little, then don't let it end as just another video you watched and forgot. This is Motivational Mentor, reminding you that real growth starts with simple actions done consistently. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay powerful.